Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video, I'm going to be discussing what the issue is with your TCL television, where you hit the remote, you hit the buttons on the bottom, you hear some click sounds, but you have no picture. Let me go ahead and explain a little bit further. Let's go ahead and plug this in first. These are probably going to be your symptoms here. So we plug it in. First and foremost, of course, you see the little light down here, and then it starts blinking on us a little bit here as it's firing up. You might even see a quick little flash if you caught that on camera. So what's happening is the LED lights in the back, in my case, and possibly your case as well. Let's go ahead and show you that here. Once again, if you hit the buttons on the bottom, you're going to hear clicks. We just saw another little flicker right there as well. What this is the LED lights in the back going out. And let me explain. After I've done this to multiple televisions, we have a flashlight right here. You can use the flash of your cell phone as well to look at this. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the screen and we're going to look in, and you're going to actually see that right there. The television has actually reset itself. Maybe the previous owners did this. I actually just found this dumpster diving today. That's what I do on my other channel. So right there, it's kind of hard on camera to see that, but it says getting started. And then see that right there, English. So what you want to do is you want to go to it, and again, with a flashlight or your cell phone, and you want to see if you can see any image or any text like this. Again, English, because it's trying to restart. That means the television is working. See, there you go, right there. Let's get started. English right there. So what that means to me, that means that the television is working completely fine. We get noise, we get sound, but the backlights, there's probably one out. Unfortunately, they're all in these little strips. If you know what you're doing, you could probably solder a new one onto the old strip, but I just purchased strips for very cheap, under 30 bucks. If they sell them on Amazon, I'll link them in the description box below. I actually picked mine up on eBay, but look for that link in the description box below. That video will be next. I am waiting for those LED lights to show up in the mail, but once they show up, we're gonna get this thing back up and running. So before you take it apart and do all that kind of nonsense, find out if this potential fix is for you. Make sure you see an image in the back like I just showed you. The fix isn't too hard. You will have to take apart the television, lift off the display. You do have to be very careful while doing that. You don't want to crack it. If you do not feel like fixing it, if it's a little bit too much effort for you to take the whole television apart to get to the backlights, then you can sell, because you know it's working. You can sell the T-Con, you can sell the main board, you can sell the power supply, pre-owned on eBay. I've done this multiple times, as long as you know that it is working. Crack panel televisions, I sell the parts. So if you don't feel like fixing it or taking it apart in that regards, but you do feel like taking it apart to make a little bit of money, it's not very hard to get the little portion of the back off to get those boards off and sell them on eBay. And we'll be getting this thing up and running in no time. Stay tuned for that video. Subscribe, thumbs that video up. And again, if you want to check out my dumpster diving videos, it's in the description box below. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.